Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. 2 kg spinach roughly cut. Wash the spinach. White radish wash, peel and roughly cut. Onion, tomato. Ginger, garlic. Green chilies. One kg beef or mutton meat. Add meat in pan and point a glass of water. Add onion, garlic, tomato. Green chilies. Ginger, chop then add. Mix it. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder 1/4 TBSP. 0.1 TBSP red chili powder. Add in meat. Mix well. Whistle for 15 minutes or meat cooked 90%. Fennel seeds. Javelin. Star anise, nutmeg, cumin seeds, coriander seeds. Green cardamom. Make a powder. Add black pepper. Grind masala. Black cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, cinnamon stick. Boil spinach 1 minute. Open the lid. Meat cooked 90%. Add 1 cup oil. Fry well. Two TBSP yogurt. Add grind masala. In yogurt. Mix it. 1 TBSP white vinegar. Fry well. Add yogurt mix masala. Mix and fry well. Spinach and green chilies. Ginger, little bit grind. Spinach. Add in meat. Half spinach without grinding. Add in meat. Add white radish. Mix well. Whistle for 5 minutes. Open the lid. Mash radish. Add half cup fresh cream. Mix well. All should be separate. It's done. Garnish with green chilies and ginger. Like, share, subscribe. Kun Food Official.